This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by preparing the Hyundai Accent and driver for cruise control. Fasten your seatbelt, ensure the steering is centered, mirrors adjusted, and pedals unobstructed. Use cruise only when road and weather are safe. Do not use below 25 mph, 40 km/h, or on wet, icy, or winding roads. Press the cruise button on the steering wheel to power the system and verify the cruise indicator illuminates on the dash. Keep hands on the wheel and maintain attention to traffic, even while cruise is active. To set speed in your Hyundai Accent, accelerate to your desired pace above 25 mph, 40 km/h, then press SET/. The car will hold that speed. The dash shows the set speed. To increase, press RES/+ once for about 1 mph more, or hold RES/+ to raise speed continuously until you release. To reduce, press SET/ briefly to drop roughly 1 mph, or hold SET/ to decelerate to a lower set speed. Use gradual adjustments and monitor traffic. When you need to override cruise control, press cancel, or tap the brake pedal. In manual transmissions, pressing the clutch also cancels cruise. You can resume the prior speed by pressing RES/+ when it is safe, and the car will accelerate back to the saved set speed. To exit cruise mode entirely, press the cruise button again to turn the system off and extinguish the indicator. Always be prepared to brake or steer manually. Cruise assists longitudinal control, but does not replace attentive driving or distance management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.